So if you're in the market for a hydrogen water bottle, you might want to look into getting this one right here that is in glass. Enjoy.
This is the future.
Literally, see the bubbles going in there, that hydrogen? My water will be transformed.
Scientific backup. This thing looks so cool. Increase muscle recovery, maximize athletic performances, prevent hangovers, improve skin and hair, supposedly optimize the sleep quality. All in this little thing.
What I can say is this thing has been a game changer for me because this can turn my purified water or my distilled water into alkaline water.
Hydrogen-infused water, used in Japan since the 1960s, hugely contributing to the extended lifespan people in Japan enjoy. 10 to 15 years more on average. Every single cell needs hydrogen to produce energy. It's been scientifically validated to improve not just one or two biomarkers of health, but across the board, all of them.
It looks like it comes from a movie.
Make the switch. Your body and the planet will thank you. Hydrogen-infused water is the smart choice for a healthier, more sustainable, and more energized future.